Hey everyone! Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into how you can watch SportSurge on your Firestick. SportSurge is a fantastic platform for streaming live sports, and with our guide, you'll be catching all the action in no time. So, let's get started. Step 1. Enable apps from unknown sources. First things first, grab your Firestick remote and navigate to the home screen. From there, go to Settings. Now, scroll right and select My Fire TV. Next, choose Developer Options. Here, you'll see an option to enable apps from unknown sources. Make sure it's turned on. Step 2. Install Downloader app. To download SportSurge, we'll need the Downloader app. Head back to the home screen and search for Downloader. Select it from the search results and install it. Once installed, open the Downloader app. Step 3. Download SportSurge APK. In the Downloader app, enter the URL where you can download the SportSurge APK. You can find the latest link in the video description below. After entering the URL, click on Go. Wait for the SportSurge APK to download. Step 4. Install SportSurge on Firestick. Once the download is complete, you'll be prompted to install the SportSurge APK. Click on Install. Wait for the installation process to finish. Step 5. Access SportSurge and enjoy streaming. After installation, you can find SportSurge in your Apps and Channels section. Open SportSurge and explore its wide range of sports channels. Now, you're all set to enjoy live sports streaming on your Firestick with SportSurge. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to watch SportSurge on your Firestick. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.